So if you've come this far, I want to tell you personally, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Now let's get into the video. Listen, you need to let your man know Valentine's Day is coming up. I'm about to show you these 3 wigs that you're about to buy and let him know that National Side Chick Day is a dub. He doesn't need any other girl because you got 3 different wigs for that ass, okay? What does your man need a side chick for? You have 3 different wigs. I'm about to show you. He doesn't need a side chick anymore. Who you want to see today? You want to see Keisha? Who you want to see today? Who do you want to see? So, these wigs I got from Sam's Beauty. They're synthetic for all my girls on a budget, yeah. So, of course, we have to talk about shipping. We have to talk about customer service. I actually received really good customer service from them. That's one thing that I really like. I always say that's one thing. There's a couple of things that I like and there's a couple of things that I don't like. But we're going to get into that. This is the Ultra. So I took this wig out because I had to see what was going on before I came on camera. But the other wigs, I have not touched them yet. Haven't taken them out the bag. So you're going to see how they look and how they actually look before I customize them and do what I got to do. So this one is Ultra Synthetic Hair Lace Front Wig Brazilian Boutique 4-inch deep free part lace wig body. This is in the color 1B and this was $35, okay? So $35 you get some cute little beach waves. Let me show you where it comes up to. Hopefully you guys don't see my Stewie shorts. Shout outs if you guys like Family Guy. They're the best. So it literally becomes a little bit below my boobs and my breast, I should say. I'm 5'4", so you know, you do the math. I think it's honestly, so when I first got it out the package and I tried it on, I was like, oh no girl, like the part was so, it was too thick and it just looked very unnatural. I didn't like it and I had to get to plucking. So once you pluck it, I'm actually going to show you guys. I'm going to pluck the other 2 wigs and I'm going to put them on. Y'all, I bought a blue wig. I bought a blue wig and I bought a red wig. But this red wig, I don't think it's gonna look good on me. It's too red, but we'll see. I like it for synthetic hair. I don't like the shedding. I'm sorry, Sam's Beauty. This sheds crazy. And as usual with synthetic hair, you have to keep brushing it, you know? Okay, so I got my wig off. I hope y'all are used to me seeing me take my wig off because I do it a lot. But the shipping was really, really good, guys. It came in about maybe like 4 business days. And when I actually saw the red wig and I was like, ooh, I don't think I like this, I contacted them. They have a cell phone. They have a contact number. It was a lady. She picked up immediately. She was very hospitable, really nice. She basically told me how I can return it and what are the steps. If you don't like a wig and you want to return it, you don't get your money back. You just get store credit, but that's not bad because you could just use another wig, you know? So, oh, okay. So let me show you how this one, well, I already done ripped it out. But this one is OTB Black. It's a Swiss lace silk top lace wig, okay? I'm already destroying it, but it basically comes like this. Oh girl, this looks purple on camera, but it's really dark blue. Okay, so I'm trying to look like sis on the cover. Okay, if I don't, I'm gonna be highly upset. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Ooh. Ooh, this one feels nice. Okay, so this is different. On the inside, it's like, I don't know if you guys see that shiny material, but it definitely feels different from the other wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and oh. Smooth, very silky. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh my god, it's so flat. Oh my god. Look how, like, wow. Look, that is thick all the way to the end. I'm low-key obsessed, like low-key. No, maybe high-key. Wow. So I really enjoy this wig. The layers are everything. It's soft. It's pretty. I could actually run my fingers through this one. And no shedding. Okay, so something I have to say about Sam's Beauty's wigs. You know when you get the lace front wig and the color? I'm going to show you the color of the lace. This is amazing for women of color because it literally matches. Like, it's so much better than that light fabric, and it makes you totally look like you're wearing a wig. But nah, this is legit. Like, I like this wig. That one was $46.99, so that's not bad. I'm giving you all these Valentine's Day look, honey. Your man is gonna be so happy. This is my third and final wig that I bought from Sam's Beauty. This one I'm afraid of the most because this one is red, okay? I didn't know it was gonna be this red. Oh, she looks like Nicki Minaj, doesn't she? Thumbs up if she looks like Nicki Minaj. She totally looks like her. I think it's the nose. So you open it. Look how red this shit is. I'm nervous. It's yaki. It's 30 inches. It's wrapped pretty tightly. Oh. I don't hate it. But this parting, hunty, gots to go. I don't hate it. Ooh, it's so smooth. Fresh out the pack. So this is Sensational Synthetic Lace Front Wig, Empress Edge, Custom Lace Yaki, 30 inches. The color is T1BBG. I'm gonna put it in the description below. How do y'all feel about this red? Like, this is Valentine's Day edition for real. Like, this is serious. I can't stop running my fingers through it. It feels really good. And I didn't even take off the lace yet. See, you can't even tell. So the parting, trash, basura. I'm gonna have to pluck it. But I've never thought of wearing red hair. And I'm low-key not mad at it. The only reason why I know about the customer service is because when I saw this red, I was like, take this back. I look crazy. I know I'm gonna look crazy. But it low-key looks nice. My final review, the first wig that you saw me in, the black one, it's not the greatest, honestly. It's okay. These last two wigs, even though this is hand tied and I'm probably gonna pluck it even more, it's fire. Like, literally, I really like it. And it's red. It's red. So if you're my skin color, don't be afraid, girl. Like, you can rock red. So yeah, I'm obsessed. I'm completely obsessed. Sam's Beauty, I'm hooked. Oh my god, I cannot wait to wear this hair. Like, woo, girl, this hair is so cute. So between this red hair and this dark blue one, I can't decide. You guys decide. Tell me what you like. Valentine's Day is coming up. Tell your man he better sit back, relax, enjoy the show, because you got tons of different wigs for him, okay? These wigs are low-key fire. And you know, you put them away, and then when you want to surprise him again, you just bring them back out. Like, hey boo, remember me? So I hope you guys enjoyed this wig try on Valentine's Day edition. Hopefully when you try them on for your man, he's very surprised, very in love. Even if you don't have a man, you try them on for yourself, bro. You rock them for yourself, because I am, and I don't have a man. I'm about to be out here like, what's up? So tell me how you guys felt about these wigs. Do you like the black one, the blue one, or the red one? Leave a comment below. Tell me which one you bought. If you did get it, and how did you like it? If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share it. If you want the wig, I'll leave a link in the description below. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!